कोर्स मैंने इसलिए ज्वाइन किया क्योंकि मुझे जीएसटी और रिटर्न वगैरह की नॉलेज गेन करनी थी ताकि मुझे आगे अच्छी जॉब और अच्छा पैकेज मिल सके।
मैंने प्रैक्टिकल प्रोस्पेक्ट्स के लिए ये कोर्स ज्वाइन किया था।
काफ़ी ज़बरदस्त चेंजेस हैं पूरे सिस्टम में, इसके बारे में जानने के लिए ही मैंने ज्वाइन किया था।
This is quite necessary now as a professional persons also, and to know what about the GST.
I attended this training because I want to become accomplished in GST.
कोर्स का कंटेंट भी बहुत अच्छा है।
इट्स गुड, कंटेंट बहुत अच्छा था।
कोर्स कंटेंट बहुत अच्छा है।
And I felt this is a really good classes because this is very knowledgeable.
I believe this course is a very fantastic.
It has been covered the entire GST subjects.
There were many contents regarding place of supply, time of supply, registrations, cancellation, return filing, all of them were there.
See, in this course we teach GST, many parts of GST, starting from registration to supply to input tax credit, how to fill returns and what are the important parts of it, and then this eventually leads to audit, assessments, all types of assessment, offences, penalties, how to keep the books, how to maintain all relevant supporting documents as per the GST.
ये ट्रेनिंग प्रैक्टिकल भी है, थ्योरेटिकल भी है, प्लस बीच बीच में हम कुछ चीज़ें जो ऐसी है जैसे रिटर्न फाइलिंग का है, रजिस्ट्रेशन कैसे कराया जाएगा, उसको भी हम इसमें कवर करते हैं, सो दैट एक तरह से ओवरऑल जो भी इस कोर्स को अटेंड करेगा उसको ओवरऑल उसकी आइडिया आ जाएगी।
This course should be attended by the practicing members of the industries, employees who are involved in GST work, compliance work and other taxation work.
This course should be attended by somebody who works in finance department and the first generation entrepreneurs who are building their business to understand how to leverage GST, how to make advantage or take advantage of it, and the consultants and the experts who are trying to build their career in GST. So these, in my view, are the guys who should attend this course.
जो भी GST से related काम करते हैं, whether they are practitioner, whether they are consultant, whether they are working in an organization and dealing with the GST matters. बेस किसी के लिए स्पेसिफाइड नहीं है, सबके लिए स्पेसिफाइड है जो इस काम में लगे हुए हैं।
Please understand that's a one-way traffic. The information only comes to you. If you have a question, you don't have an answer to that. YouTube video doesn't stop, accept your question and answer. However, in this model, here you come in and you clarify all your queries, and therefore it becomes much more effective for you.
So there are n number of opportunities and the amendment which are going to be there in the future. So with 1.5 years, it is not being settled law, and already we have seen the settled law, that is the excise and the VAT. They have also not settled after 30 to 40 years. So there are more things which are there in the GST, which has to be learned during the course of our sessions.
Yes, it's my recommendation that everyone should join this course because this course is very much beneficial to all who are involved in GST practice.
Yes, I definitely do recommend this course, since it's a course where we are focusing only on the practical aspect, since we are not here to make someone clear an exam. It's a practical aspect which would be approaching that how should we enhance our skill set while working in the indirect tax field.
Yes, मैं इस कोर्स को recommend करता हूँ.
I just recommended it to my all friends and CAs and all those people who wants to make career in GST, and it's a boom industry, so you can go for it. And
ये कोर्स मैं आगे भी अपने साथियों को रिकमेंड करूँगी।
तो मैं अपने दोस्तों को और बाकी लोगों को भी यहीं से ये कोर्स करने के लिए रिकमेंड करूँगा। मैं और भी आने वाले सभी मेंबर्स को इनवाइट करूँगा कि इस कोर्स को ज़रूर ज्वाइन करें।
या हम रिकमेंड करेंगे, बहुत सारे लोगों को तो हमने रिकमेंड किया है, वैसे 1-2 बच्चे आए भी हैं।